Hello, and I am back. This is Sarah, your socially awkward seller, and my camera is a little awkward today. So, if you're new to my channel, I am a full-time reseller on eBay, Amazon, Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook Marketplace. There's some crap on Etsy too that never sells, but I digress. So, I was supposed to be at home working today, but it didn't happen yet. It's only 3 o'clock. I did do a load of laundry. Stop judging me, okay? Anyway, I bought a shit ton of stuff and I sold some stuff. So let's talk about the stuff that sold first. Why don't we do that? Let's just run through it real quick. It was actually a pretty decent day for me yesterday. This pair of, okay, it's not really the jeans that I sold, but this is a representation of them because I haven't located them yet. Damn. A pair of Levi jeans that sold for $9.99. And I did send a lot of offers and take a lot of offers in the last 24 hours or so. This is a pair of Massimo boots that are really kind of cool. I took a best offer of $15 on those. I usually only pay about $4 a pair for shoes in my area. This is a Lexus 6 CD like cartridge that you would put into an automobile CD changer. And that sold for, well, that'd be good to know, wouldn't it? Let's see what it sold for. Tell us what you won, Bob. It sold for $15.29. This is some Mary Kay that I took a best offer on, and this sold for $16. This is a really, really ugly, creepy ass doll that I got from that storage unit. She sold for $10 plus shipping. Now, of course, all of these are plus shipping. I'm trying to keep myself straight here. This is a pair of Natori silk pajamas, and they had a button missing, so I've had them for evs. And so I sent out an offer yesterday of $14.99, and they sold. But Natori is a pretty high-end brand. Wherever Cookie Press Super Shooter. This is an electric one, and it sold for, wait for it, $31.49. This is a Black & Decker Smart Spatula, and this sold for $23. This is a pack of Sony VHS. I bought these not very long ago, and I took a best offer of, I'm going to sneeze, just wait for it, $13.49. I told you it was coming. Let's see what else we got here. This is some Elizabeth Arden Clinique Lancome makeup that I sold the other day. However, I shipped the wrong crap because I am just a hot stinking mess. So I'm going to ship her the right thing and let her keep the wrong thing. I just shipped a different lot of cosmetics. That's what I get because I can't pay attention. This is an AT&T Slimline phone, Trimline phone. Slimline, Trimline. I don't know anything about either of those. $15.29. This is a vintage, it's called a rainbow light. And it's a Christmas light. And I've had this for at least 3 years. I finally sold it for $49.99. I sent out an offer on that. I sold this lot of Oneida flatware for $161.99. This is 10 place settings, 10 5-piece place settings. This is Oneida Polonaise. Let's see what else is here. I sold some beaters for a Sunbeam Mixmaster for $15.29. Let's see. What is missing here? two more things that I sold, which I have not pulled yet, is a Mr. Coffee Cafe Frappe. That sold for $53.99 plus shipping. And I sold my last set of those Saxon Homeschool flashcards. I took a best offer of $18 plus shipping on those. So, not a bad day considering it had been kind of slow for, right before November. So, I will take it. So those are my sales. These things will be shipped on Monday. If I'm smart, which I'm generally not, I will go ahead and start my shipping process tomorrow, because if it keeps up the way we're going, I'm gonna have a bunch. I just sent out another 10 offers or so between both of my stores, so I could potentially have more sales. Let's talk about a few things that I bought today. I picked up some decent stuff. I picked up some garbage too, I'm pretty sure, because that's the way I roll. This is a Miracle rice cooker steamer. This was marked $9.99, but it's still purple. Sale color is still purple, so I got this for $4.99. And it looks like these go for about 30 bucks, and I just about whipped myself in the face with that cable, which would be bad, I assume. I got this thing, and I'm not really sure what it is, but I'm gonna figure it out. It's called a Video Eye. It says it's a video magnification system. Very sophisticated looking. I paid $14.99 for this, but it also came with, hold on, bear with me here a second. This whole bag of goodies. Cables and LCD power zoom. So it looks like you can blow up, if you will. It's taped shut. Looks like you can blow up to video written materials. It also has that baseboard and a monitor. So I'm hoping I can get about $200 for that, but I do anticipate it taking a while. It may be better for me to part it. I'm not sure yet, but that's something I get to learn about as well. These are a pair of Clark's Cloud Steppers, I think they're called. Yes, Cloud Steppers boots. They're actually really cute. They're navy. They're my size. $4.29 for those. Let's see, what else we got? I got this vintage Wilton cast iron base cake decorating turntable. I paid $5.99 for it. Looks like that will go for about $30. Try to make sure it didn't fall. I got these for $1.50. Hey, Kool-Aid. This is a Kool-Aid pitcher and 6 of the cups from our nostalgic 70s days. Let's see. I picked up this cool mosaic glass, like it's all crackled up, glass owl lamp. I paid $4 for it. My daughter said, "Why are you buying that?" Because I want to, damn it. Let's see. I picked these up. I don't know if they're really worth anything. I have 2 of them. Aren't they pretty? It's kind of a purple. I paid 99 cents for these. They're Anchor. And they are lilac. It's called the 7-ounce Fiji cup. Lilac, I don't know. But I got 2 of them because I like them. And let's see if I can get through today without, I don't know, breaking them. No guarantees. Picked up this KitchenAid chef's chopper, and I don't know how much it's worth. I paid $5 for it, but I can generally sell the blades to almost anything for about $15, so I'll be okay on that. And that chopper might be worth something. I don't know. Let's see. Try not to break those glasses, because I will. Let's see. I got so much garbage in this room right now. I picked up 2 of these. And these are from Grolier. And they're basically Bible study. Like, I don't know if they're little books. They might be little books. Or if they're cards. Might be cards. I don't know. But I thought that these were kind of cool. I like to sell like homeschool and Bible school stuff. I paid $2.99 each for these, and I do have 2 complete sets. We're getting there, folks. We're almost there, folks. Bear with me. These are Naturalizer, also another pair of ankle booties, leather. What are the odds? These are my size as well. Well, what do you know? Actually, these are a 9, so 9.5 is usually what I have to do. But I should be able to, also $4.29, should be able to do 20 on those at least. Come on. Come on now. Work with me. I picked up this Regal, this vintage Regal microwave turntable. I think it's new. I'm not sure. I hope it is, because it's taped up. But I paid 99 cents for this, and it does look nice and vintty. I bought these lamination pages, but I don't know why. Let's see. Come on. Oh, I picked this up. I'm not sure that this is complete, but it is a monogram throw pillow, Victorian wreath pillow sham. It's a 16 by 16, and I paid 79 cents for it. It is open, so I'm gonna have to double check it. I do like ribbon embroidery a lot, and that's what this is, so I might do it. I won't, because my eyes won't let me. And let's see, just a couple more things. I picked up these, paid $1.49, and these are new Oneida yeah, dinner knives. That's what we call them, dinner knives. I don't know what pattern this is right off the top, but it won't take me long to find it. I think there are 8 or 10 of these knives in here, and they are all brand new. Let's see. That's 6, 8, 12 knives. So I should do okay for my $1.49 investment. I picked up a whole lot of other stuff too, but it was personal stuff. It was stuff for Holly, stuff for the other grandkids. This is a no-sew fleece scarf kit from Joann. This looks really, really vintage, but it's actually only from 2005, which is almost 15 years ago. I paid $1.50 for this. And then, what else we got? What is this? And thank you. Thank you cards. The last 2 things that I got was this kind of teal metal stool. And come on, y'all, work with me. I give a gray one just like it. I paid $5.99 for those, and I will be putting those on Facebook Marketplace, and hopefully it will sell. So that's what I bought today. Now I just need to knuckle down and get some work done, because I have a ton to do now before I can go shopping again. But I found lots of treasures, and I'm gonna get on it. So thank you all for being here with me. I appreciate it. As always, you guys get a double whammy today, because I put up another video this morning as part of that very Merry Christmas haul. And so you'll get my daily vlog too. How lucky are you guys? All right, that's enough. So thank you all as always for washing too. I appreciate you washing and watching. And thank you for being here. And okay, enough with that, because it's in a loop in my head. just remember that the dream works when you do. So keep dreaming and keep working, and I'll see you guys the next time. Thanks. Bye.